What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. All right, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. All right, I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you do legit business and you getting what you paid for. All right, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today we're gonna be dropping a video on how you can turn your credit from zero to a hero. And what I mean by that is in 30 days you can go from bad credit to good credit and start getting 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80,000 loans. Easy, just like that. But you have to understand, the only way anybody out there is going to be able to get these loans, these credit cards, these lines of credit, if you want to get on the business side, the personal side, or you want to get it under a CPN, you're going to have to know how to build credit. CPNs does not come with an automatic 700, 800 credit score. Your credit doesn't come with an automatic 700, 800 credit score. Your business credit doesn't come with an automatic 80 payday score or higher. So with that being said, you have to learn how to build credit. If you want to become somebody important in life, you want to become somebody that knows some type of knowledge, that knows some type of information that millions of people need and want in life, and that can get them some money, you're going to have to learn how to make it happen. You're going to have to learn how to build credit. You're going to have to learn and understand what bureaus there are. You're going to have to learn all this information, because no one's going to give you an 800 credit score. No one's going to give you a 700 credit score. No one's going to give you a bad credit loan if you don't know how to properly structure your credit score, your credit profiles. No one's going to do any of this. A lot of people drop bad credit loans on YouTube and they say, hey, you can get you a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 bad credit loan, but they don't go into depth how you're supposed to get this loan. They just say, hey, you go here and apply, no credit port. No, I made a couple videos like that, but I said to myself, you know what? Let me actually show and tell the people how to structure this credit profile that they have so they can get the loan that they need. All right, so today we're going to be talking about how in 30 days you can get you 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $30,000 with this credit hack. Now, this credit hack can work for anybody out there. You just have to actually put in the work. You got to actually want to do it, and you got to actually have a game plan with it, because there's no reason for you to try to build your credit or do these things if you don't have a game plan, if you don't want to start your own business, if you don't want to get a type of loan, a credit card, or anything like that. All right. So the first thing you want to do is, if you don't know your credit scores, your Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, you have to know that. Because if you're going to apply for a loan, a credit card, a line of credit, and you know you have bad credit, then you're going to be wasting your time and you're going to be making your credit score even worse. Because when they check your credit, they're going to do a hard credit pull. If you already got bad credit and they do that pull, you're going to go even more down. All right, your credit score is going to go down some more. So you want to go to Experian.com, pay $25 a month to get your 3 FICOs, to see your debt, to see your collections, to see all 3 of your FICOs, your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit scores. Once you know all 3 of your credit scores, once you see all the debts and collections that's reporting on all 3, then you will have an idea what's going on. You might have a better credit score than you thought. You might have a worse credit score than you thought. A lot of people think they know their credit score because they go off Credit Karma and they pay for free. Credit Karma is not accurate. If you think you got a 700 credit score and you paying on going off Credit Karma and you're not paying anything, that is not your accurate credit score. Your feelings are going to be hurt. Just go pay the $25 a month at Experian.com and you will know your accurate credit score. All right, so now that you got your Experian account, now you know all the collections that's going on and debt that's going on. You might not even have nothing on your debt, because everybody's credit situation is not the same. Everybody didn't go to school. Everybody doesn't have student loans on their credit. Everybody doesn't have mortgages on their credit. Everybody doesn't have the same things on their credit, point blank period. So everybody's situation is different. Now, for those people who do have credit, student loans and mortgages and car notes on your credit and credit cards, that's fine. Any account that's 7 years or older on your account is classified as expired. So what you're going to do is you're going to freeze all 3 of your credit bureaus, the TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. You're going to freeze all of them. So you're going to go to TransUnion freeze, Equifax freeze, and Experian freeze.com. Freeze all 3 of your credit profiles. Boom. Then you're going to dispute all of those accounts, even the ones that's not 7 years or older. You're going to dispute every account on all 3 of your credit profiles. All right, so once you dispute everything and it's froze, 9 times out of 10, when they go to check and to verify the account and they can't get in, they have no choice but to delete it off your credit profile. Sometimes it works the first time, sometimes it works the second time, sometimes it might work the third time, sometimes it might work the fourth time, but eventually it will come off. So a lot of people don't understand every situation is different, and it's not going to be like, sometimes it might be automatically, sometimes it might take a couple of times. All right, so once you start building your credit, now let me say this about credit: the more accounts that you have on your credit profile, the more age it'll be. Once you start deleting these accounts, the ageness will go away. So how to build your credit profile so you can have exceptional payment history, because your credit is built off payment history. The more things that you put on the more accounts that you put under your credit profile that you're paying off, it builds your credit. So if you got these accounts, you got $50,000 and whatever on your credit profile that you're paying off, you paying back every month on time. That's exceptional payment history. That's what's going to build your credit. If you miss a payment, it's going to affect your credit profile in a negative way. And I also want everybody to understand, everything on your personal side is for emergency purposes only. That's why when you get cars and you get these accounts, these high limit accounts, mortgage loans and things like that, and you pay it off on your personal side, it does what? It affects your credit score negatively. Vice versa, you get all these things on the business side, it will affect your business credit positively, because everything on your business credit is meant for you to spend and make money. Everything on your personal side is for emergency purposes only. So you need this emergency money, you need some money to buy a car or a trip or something like that. It's for emergency purposes. That's why when you go apply for bad credit personal loans, it says if emergencies. All you see is emergency purposes, right? So boom, business is for business purposes. We got to start understanding, we got to start listening and hearing me when I'm saying these things, because these will be major key components to getting these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. So boom, back to it. Trade lines and authorized users are to help you build your personal credit and your business credit, so you do not have to continuously get these accounts under your name and continuously pay so much money on a monthly basis that you're going to have yourself in debt. Trade lines will skip all that. You can get you a $10,000 trade line reported to your credit for as little as $200 a month. You can get you a $30,000 trade line reported to your credit for as little as $300 a month. You can get you $42,500 reported to on your credit profile from Credit Strong. You can get up to $50,000 reported to your business credit from Credit Strong. You can get up to $200,000 in authorized users, aka AUs, aka credit card accounts reported to your personal and business account from Trade Line Supply. When I tell you guys this information, I'm actually giving you the hack. I'm actually giving you the method. I'm actually giving you the information and the sauce that these millionaires, these billionaires, these wealthy people, these entrepreneurs are doing to achieve their goals, to get that money so they can get these multi-million dollar houses, cars, businesses, invest, and to be blessed. You do not have to have $50,000 in your business bank account to get $50,000. It all goes off your credit profile. So the more trade lines you add, the more money that you show that you're paying back on exceptional payment history will determine how much money will be linked to you. So if you want to get a $50,000 loan, a $100,000 loan, you want to get you an Experian account. You want to see everything that you have going on. If you don't got nothing being reported, and you just somebody that graduated high school or turned 18, and you ain't never did nothing, put nothing in your name, it's going to be easier for you. So you're going to be able to go to Trade Lines Supply and Credit Strong and Credit Magnum and get these trade lines to add to your credit. So now it's just like you got exceptional payment history and you have nothing being reported but these accounts that you've been paying back, and your credit score is going to jump high to the sky faster than the people who have things on their account, because they have things on their account that it's in the way. So if you got things in the account, you got this credit score that's trying to jump up, but there's things in the way, you got to go around. Vice versa, who have nobody who has nothing on their account, they add these trade lines, it's going to just jump up. They have nothing in the way to interfere with that. So anybody out there looking to get these loans, you want to get you 30, 40, 50, 60,000 dollars in 30 days, what you're going to do is get your Experian account. You're going to see everything that's being reported on your credit profiles, your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Once you do that, you're going to start freezing and disputing. Once you just freeze and dispute, you clean it up a little bit, you're going to go start adding trade lines, creditstrong.com, magnumcredit.com, tradelinesupply.com. Add those trade lines to your account. Give it 30 days. At the same time, you're going to start your LLC, get your EIN number, because now you're building your personal credit, so you can use your personal credit, leverage it to your business credit, and won't have to need a co-signer. You'll be your own personal guarantor. You'll be your own co-signer. Once you got your LLC, your EIN number, you need to get your Dun & Bradstreet number, because that's going to be able for you to track all your business credit scores. Once you get your Dun & Bradstreet number, then you want to go start. You're going to go to Uline, Granger, Quell. You want to find every business or place that will report to all of the business credit bureaus. Once you find those, get your net 30s. Get your trade lines, get your same process. You're going to add them, you're going to build, and you're going to start applying for these. You can either go apply for a personal loan, bad credit loan, or you can go apply for a $50,000 no doc stated income business loan, where you don't need nothing. They go off your signature. You tell them how much you make. They're going to go off that. They're going to check your credit. They're going to say, oh, you got good credit. You're good. Boom, here's $50,000. All in 30 days. That fast, that easy. Follow what I'm saying, because this year we're going to be making some major moves. We got a lot of major plays in the works. And either you're going to hate or you're going to come get a dinner plate. Easy as that. Too many haters out there not understanding the magnitude of credit. I'm out on tour right now, giving these in-person lessons. We building the production company, still looking for actors, rappers, models, content creators, all that for the production company. So anybody out there is looking to tap in with the production company, you're an actor, a rapper, a model, a producer, a cameraman, tap in, because I'm looking for talent. Let's make these millions together. Let's build this team. Let's grow together. Still doing giveaways. I got some Jordans I'm giving away. I got some free t-shirts I'm giving away. I got some free methods I'm giving away. So make sure y'all subscribing to all the YouTube channels. Make sure you're going to run them follows up on my IGs, all of them. King Hussle X1M, the real King Hussle X1M, all that. Make sure y'all come to get y'all personal in-person lessons, or getting y'all FaceTime one-on-one lessons. You ready to get rich? You ready to learn how to learn this information on how to succeed in credit, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, CPNs. You want to learn how to really make passive income by sitting down like I'm sitting down, all profit? Get your lessons. FaceTime one-on-one is $600, but in person it's $4,500 if you come and stay to me. If I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $5,500. And you also have to pay for my flight and my hotel. Tap in on the crypto tour for the in-person limited gems, or tap in for the FaceTime one-on-one limited gems. Anybody out there looking to get their 8 instant cash out methods, you want to learn 8 methods that can get you instantly rich. As long as you got to do is follow those methods. Those instructions, the cash out glitch, Bitcoin glitch, how to make $50K a week all profit, all that included in the 8 instant cash out methods, plus 2 free live cards for $320. Tap in. Y'all see everybody getting rich off this cash out glitch. Only people that's not getting rich is the people who hating because they don't believe, they don't understand, they never did anything like this a day in their life, they never seen like nothing like this a day in their life, they never seen no methods, they never seen no information like this a day in their life. So that all they can do is hate. But the people who actually taking their time to learn credit and learn all these ways how to make money, shout out to y'all. Continue to win, continue to elevate, continue to grow. Tap into my Telegram, Wealth of Riches. Link is in my community post and in the links in my bio everywhere, so you can't go to no fake page, Wealth of Riches. Make sure y'all follow me on my IG, King Hussle X1M, for more free methods. We got a lot of good information going on. You can get your World Tour t-shirts right now for $160. But if you want to get your World Tour t-shirt with the free method and the live card, is $200. So do not miss out. You want that free that Fire World Tour t-shirt with a free method and a free live card, get you some money. Tap in. You basically getting it for free, because once you get the live card, you do it right, you gonna get some money. So how can you beat that? All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I see you at the next. Let's get this money. It's 2024. Let's all win. Just make sure everybody who got some talent come tap in. Let's win, man. I've been rolling up these trees. I got all type of cannabis residue on my nail. But yeah, tap in, man. Make sure y'all tapping into my my distro, man. We got fire flavors, Empire exotic flavors. Make sure y'all just tap it in because we got a lot of good things going on this year. My kennel, dog pound, exotic kennel. We got Frenchies. We got Fluffies. We got all that popping off this year. I've been busy on tour, so we finna get back to this content, more good content. We got dog content coming, funny content coming, music coming, music videos. Make sure you go follow King Hussle X1M on YouTube right now. Just dropped that free 10K video teaching y'all how to make 10K in the video. Got a new mixtape dropping soon. Been working real hard. Finna help more people get rich. So y'all know what it is. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.